In the wild, there's a constant battle for survival. Animals need to eat to live. Some animals, the predators, hunt other animals for their food. The animals they hunt are their prey. This is the law of nature, eat or be eaten. This struggle for survival is happening everywhere, from the African savanna to the Amazon rainforest. It's a dangerous game of hide and seek. Predators have developed amazing skills to catch their prey. They are strong, fast and clever. Prey animals, on the other hand, have their own ways to avoid becoming a meal. It's a constant arms race between predator and prey. The African savanna is a perfect example of this eternal struggle. Lions, with their strength and teamwork, are the kings and queens of this land. They hunt in groups, bringing down large prey like zebras and wildebeest. Leopards, more solitary creatures, rely on stealth and cunning. They often drag their kills up trees, keeping them safe from scavengers like hyenas. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals, use incredible bursts of speed to catch gazelles. In the dense jungles of Asia, tigers reign supreme. These solitary hunters are masters of camouflage, their stripes helping them blend into the shadows. They stalk their prey silently, using their powerful claws and teeth for a swift kill. Anacondas, giant snakes of the Amazon rainforest, are ambush predators. They lie in wait beneath the water's surface, grabbing unsuspecting prey with lightning-fast reflexes. Their powerful bodies constrict their victims, suffocating them before swallowing them whole. The ocean, a vast and mysterious world, is home to some of the most impressive predators. Sharks, with their razor-sharp teeth and incredible senses, are the ultimate hunting machines. Great white sharks, the largest predatory fish, are known for their powerful bites and hunting strategies. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are highly intelligent and social animals. They hunt in pods, using complex strategies and communication to bring down prey as large as whales. They are known to work together to create waves that wash seals off ice floes. Section 5. Forest ambush, wolves and eagles. Forests, with their dense foliage and varied terrain, offer unique challenges and opportunities for both predators and prey. Wolves, highly intelligent pack hunters, use coordinated strategies to chase down deer, elk and other prey. Eagles, with their incredible eyesight and powerful talons, are masters of the skies. They can spot prey from great distances, swooping down with incredible speed and precision. Bald eagles, for instance, often snatch fish from the water's surface. Section 6. Adapting to survive, camouflage and mimicry.